So I believe like I got multiple members here. So let me just start with my screen sharing. So the session is all about sorry, that call got just give me a second. Let me turn off my WhatsApp because that was causing the system is getting hang. Okay, so is like my system, like my screen is visible? Oh, I haven't shared my screen, sorry. If you can share, like see my screen, if you can like let me know on the message or anything. Is my screen visible? All right. Fine. Sorry, I didn't get the like notification. Fine. So coming back here, so I have prepared a document for you that I will be going through this document. For I will start with the thing that what are the basic or the thing that we should first take care of our LinkedIn so that we can have a maximize growth and maximum reach with a great profile view, you can say. If you see my LinkedIn profile, so currently I have 25,390 sub followers with 8,500 profile views and 74,000 of post impression and the 500 plus search appearance. So how we can gain a better profile views than the post impression and the search appearances? How we can optimize our LinkedIn? So these are the like thing. First, if we can have a professional headshot in the mean, if we have a good photo with our head visible, okay, and the background, if the background can be in white or in gray in color, that is like what is this like recommended one, you can say. Okay, so that is recommended that either white or red. Either white or gray color is the color to be maintained on the back. Secondly, do not use any photos that is irrelevant by any chance, or any photos that is you included with other person that is also not approved, you can say, in terms of LinkedIn policy or like LinkedIn thing. I wouldn't recommend that thing. I would say that please use your single photo with your headshot, with your face visibility like very high in your face visibility. It shouldn't be that you went to somewhere else and you clicked a photo, and that photo is like you were very like far away from the camera, and that photo has been clicked to capture the other thing, like the other views. So that is not here, should be on your LinkedIn profile photo. So that is to be maintained first. Second thing is your cover photo. Cover photo, I saw many of the people do not have any cover photo. That is also will drop off your visibility. So please use at least a cover photo. If you think that how we can get a cover for better cover photo, or if you think that how we can get a good our profile picture, so I would say that you can use Canva, one of the tool you might know. Okay, and this is not a promotion or anything, just to ensure you people. Please come to Canva. You will find different templates here for your LinkedIn, what is this, like profile photo or your banner. See here, the banners are there. All you can just choose your photo and you can like change the descriptions, whatever it's suitable for you. So please add that. Fine. So that is the first thing first. So these two are the major part. Second is the headline with keywords. If I'm coming back in my LinkedIn, if you see this is the headline, right? The headline should carry your maximum keywords relevant to you. But I mentioned in my headline, if I say, if you see, this is my current role where I'm working with on QBA Worldwide, I'm working, and my current role is senior cloud engineer. I separated this particular thing with a single pipeline so that I can denote that this is one part. Fine. So you can also denote by anything as per your suitable. I use pipe. You can use other elements depending on you. Since I have a 25 plus thousand family on my LinkedIn, so I mentioned that I do have my certifications. So I mentioned that I added some emojis to look it cool. You can avoid using the emojis as well if you do not like it. It's up to you. Now the thing is that I mentioned what are my skills or what are my core skills. I know the things better. Since I know Microsoft 365 better, so I mentioned that I know Git, I know Docker, I know DevOps somewhat, and I know CI/CD somewhat, and a Linux with a touch of OpenTofu. So I mentioned all those as my skill set. Alongside, I mentioned Azure and AWS is one of my core cloud, what is this, little knowledge or the skills. So I mentioned that. I did my graduation with a BCA degree, which is a Bachelor of Computer Application. So I mentioned that again. And this is the year of experience I have mentioned. When someone is visiting my profile, what that person would see that I'm working as a senior cloud engineer, having this much of skills, having this much of certification, and he has done the BCA degree, which is a technical degree, and he's having a 8+ of years experience. So if their criteria is matches, they will connect with me. If the criteria is not getting matched, so they will ignore me. Fine. So here is my current company. They can see my current company, and here is my last university where I studied. So all the things are being displayed here. That is most important part. Secondly is your location. Please update your nearby major city location. Since you might know or you might not know about like I reside in Chandranagar in West Bengal, Hooghly. So Chandranagar is not that much popular in terms of like the to the world. If I say that I reside in Kolkata, so world can recognize me or world can search me instead like if I place it myself at Chandranagar. So rather I say that, so I mentioned it's Kolkata so that maximum people can connect with me. Fine. What is another benefit if I say in Kolkata? If you see the option of my network, if you go to this my network option, sorry. So if you just scroll down, if you see the people you may know in Greater Kolkata, so that means when I choose my current location as Kolkata, so I got this option that I can connect with these people. Same wise, the people who are in Kolkata or that selected location is Kolkata, they can also see my profile. So that will increase my visibility. So that is the another opportunity for me that if I add a location which is a major and people can look at me, right? Then is your contact info. If you go to the contact info, you will find all the contact info is visible to the end people or the person who is looking at your profile. Somebody don't want to show their mobile number. Sometimes it is visible there. So you can hide it from this pencil icon. If you want to add anything here, so you can edit under this pencil icon. Whatever the option you want to display to your connection or the publicly, you can choose this option. So please choose this option very wisely because this is one of the important part that people can connect with you. Second thing is that I got an option to add a link. I added link topmate.io for this is my one of my topmate link. If somebody wants to speak with me or somebody wants to have a session with me, so they can book a session for me. Like they can click at this link and they can book a session with me on topmate. If you want to add any other link, if you have or you might have like hosted any of your web application or portfolio kind of website, so you can add that on here by clicking on this edit option. You will find on the scroll down, if you see, this is the link option. So you can choose and you can customize the name, whatever you want to put. Fine. Fine. Perfect. Now this analytics is up to you. So you can see the what is the analytics is going on for your profile. So that is the one of the thing that you should review every day or like in a week, particularly if you are like very short in time. Coming back to the option for the about section, when you are adding an about section, please make sure that your email ID is visible by this first or second line, because so that people can connect you with your email ID on an immediate note. That is important. So how I can bold that like my email ID? So I use this formatting URL, which is linkedinmakeover.com. So you can also like look into this URL. So I'm just sending you the link here so that you people can have this link as well for you ready, right? So you can add your thing and you can copy paste this particular thing. So you can have a what is this like the bold or italic, whatever it is displayed there. So you can copy that. Coming back this option, like on the about, please add about yourself here with a very good note. Start with a like greetings, add your email ID on the front, and update the things or the relevant experiences, skills with the keyword stuffing, which we say in marketing SEO, search engine optimization. You can search on Google that what are the ranked keywords for your opportunities, like for the DevOps or the CI/CD or Kubernetes, Docker. These are the like one of the better keywords to stuff. So you can add those keywords here. So that will be better present your profile. If you click on this edit option, so if you scroll down, there is an option for the skills. So if you haven't added skills, so please add skills, maximum 5 skills you can add, and that will enhance your profile. That will again like give you a more visibility to your profile. So you can gain again like maximum visibility. Fine. So coming back, here's a featured option that you can feature any of your posts which you want to make featured. So if you want to, suppose I want to make this post feature, so I will click on this three dot and there's an option for feature on top of profile. So once I click in this, so this will be coming here as my featured profile, featured post, such that you can do at your own whatever the feature post you want to do. Coming back here, these are my experiences or the companies I work with or I'm working with currently. Please ensure that what are the actual things are there. So please put that only. That will be better when you are like getting calls or like connection, so that you can explain them but in a better way. So it's always better whatever the work you are doing. Please add as a description here, so that again you can do a keyword stuffing. Again, you can be on search appearances. If you are doing the keyword stuffing here, so your search appearance will increase. The search appearance get increased, the profile view also get increased. The more profile view, the more certain appearances coming up. So you are more visible to the people, you are more connected, and you are getting more network opportunities. Such that please mention the description what you are working with your current company. Please have your like if you have received any award or the appreciation note, please add this as an image like I added here. So you can also add if you got promoted on your company, please make a promotion kind of thing that I made here, that I got a promotion on my company. So I made a promotion thing. So you can also mention that. So please always add a description that will add a value. Since I work here as a like the consulting thing, the people who wants to speak with me, so I had it just added this as a like what is this like the better visibility again the thing. Fine. So wherever I worked, I added a description. So please add description. Again, if you want to add some skills, so you can add the skills from this edit option. Fine. Coming back, this is your education. Whatever education you want to update, you can again update. You can update your grade as well. If you are a fresher or a student, it's always better to have your grades updated here so that the other person who is looking at your profile, so that they can also see your grades. If you have very good grades, so they can appreciate you on that ground as well. If you have the certification, please add your certification here. That will enhance again your visibility or the credibility of your account. Then comes the skills. Please add the relevant skills. Do not like overwhelm the skills that you do not know, but you saw that these skills can attract me. Don't overdo the thing, but do the thing that is relevant. Please add the skills. But please ask people that there is an option for the endorsement. They can people like click on that. Like suppose I'm opening this profile. Okay. If I go to like on the button of his what is this like the profile, let me just go button of his profile. See, there is an option for the endorse. So when you think that if I'm thinking that this person knows app FICO is very good, so I will just click on endorse. So what I did endorse, like when I did the endorsement, so other people would see that someone has given a back that he knows these skills very well. So that way we can endorse people. That is the way. So you can do the endorsement with each other if you want to give me the endorsement as well. So that's also welcome. If you want me to give you the some endorsement as well, so you can connect me that I want some endorsement. So I will also give you the endorsement. Not an issue. Let's grow together, make the world better together. Right? So the recommendation, you can ask people, please give me the recommendation. So the more you have a recommendation, so that looks better. You can ask recommendation with this plus icon and ask for recommendation. You can like put the name of the person and you can choose the like your relationship and the you can ask for the recommendation as well. There's option for the honor and rewards. So if you have received any of the like honors or the rewards from your company or the college, you can also add here. The languages you know, please add here, and the organizations. If you do not see these much options, do not worry. Go to top of your profile. There is an option for add profile section. Click on here. You will find those options that are missing there. Fine. So from here, you can see the all the options which you saw on my profile. So you can get these options from here as well. Fine. So this is the basic theory like about your profile. What are the profile things you should do? Fine. How you can make over your profile. Secondly, the custom profile URL that most people misses. If you come to your profile, what is this, the page, on the right, if you see the profile, public profile URL, click on this pencil icon. Sometimes what happens, the people have their profile name with some extra numbers and the alphanumeric numbers and thing. So please go to this edit option on this pencil icon and please update your username as per your choice and make sure that is available. Okay. So if that is available, so you can save and you can use that profile link onwards, so that when people coming up, so they can use a good URL and that looks good. Fine. So if you haven't updated on your CV, so that's good. If you have updated your CV with the old URL, so it's not recommended not to change, because the people who having your old CV, they will come up with a 404 error, because that profile is no longer there on that URL because the URL got changed. Fine. Okay. So how we can grow our profile? So we should post at least one or two, or maximum three is good. If you are posting something on your LinkedIn, that will give you a growth. Whatever the personal stories, tips, posts, visuals, or the videos, whatever it is there, you can please post. That will give you a better opportunity to gain people. You can have the hashtag on your post, tag the people. If you have some special people, like you can mention or give a credit, so you can mention the people. Whenever you are putting something, so you can also add the call to action that people will comment there. Like, what's your thought? If you have any feedback, please share, or something like that. So that is the thing. So you can also post it when your audience is most active. When you see the morning time, most people are active. So please, you can do that. And you can add external links in the comments. If you see my strategy, when I put a free certification alert, so I put the link on my comment so that people can click. When people will click, so that will generate me a impression, engagement, and so on. So that will boost my post. So I add always my link on my comment section. So how we can grow our network in a different way? We have a limit, or LinkedIn has a limit of 200 connection requests per week. You can send 200 connection requests per week. Fine. That gets reset on every Sunday. That means when you wake up on your Monday morning, say like 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. something, your connection request get again filled with 200. You can again send 200 connection requests. What I do generally, I send connection requests from Friday to Saturday and Sunday mostly. These 3 days are my favorite. Why? Because I can have a availability of my current 200 requests till Monday to Friday. In between, if I find someone that I should send the connection request to him or her, so that I can use that request. Otherwise, I cannot. So I use that on Monday to Friday for my important thing. And if I think that no, I didn't get someone to send a connection request particularly, so I send connection request on Friday to Saturday. Okay, sorry, Saturday to Sunday. How I send? I go to this option for my network option. Let me accept. If you scroll down, you will find different kind of categories here. See, this is from my university, this is from my Kolkata, then this is from the training and the coaching industry, and so on. You will find different categories are there. What I choose, or what you should choose, the recent activity. You should choose your recent activity. Choose this option, click on show all, and choose your niche category persons. Like I choose particularly the DevOps, cloud engineers, or relevant to that SRE, platform engineering, and so on. So I choose those people. If how I choose those people, I get to know about their from this option, which is we say headline. So better headline we have, better visibility we have. If you see this person has a DevOps engineer, so I should connect with him. Here, if you see the DevOps engineer, so I can connect with him. Fine. If you see here DevOps in the cloud, so I can connect with her. So such that we can connect with people. And the background photo, if you see the background photo makes a better visibility. If you see this person, it's giving me a better trust. Oh, that person has some good profile, so I can connect with him because he might share some good knowledge, some good post, so that that will be a better for me. Such that makes a great thing. Okay, that's my particular thing. So this is how I do. And once you send the request, please withdraw the connection request if they are not accepting till your next connection request sending time. Say suppose you have sent a connection request on this Friday, wait till next Thursday. Are they accepting your connection request? If yes, then it's good. If they are not accepting your connection request, come to this My Network option. There is an invitation. Go to the Show All option. Go to this option for the sent. I sent on this week 200 connection requests. I already sent. So now I see that 13 people yet not accepted my request. What I will do, like 6 days already passed, I will click on withdraw and I will click on withdraw. Fine. Such that we can clean this thing. Yes, Sai, you want to speak? So let me just unmute. How to unmute? Allow mic. Yes. Are you unmuted?
Hi,
I
Saurabh.
think you are. Yeah.
Yeah, we cannot see the screen actually. It's still the same this Word file only.
Let me just stop my screen and let me see share again. Please confirm, like if you can see. Can you see my screen?
Still not.
If others can confirm in like message as well. Agnimitra is saying that I can see. I think like if other people can see, then there might be some network issue with your like connection maybe. Or let me just check in my YouTube. Is that visible to YouTube? So you can refer. Yes, in my YouTube it is visible. So you can refer to my YouTube as well if you want. It's there as well. All right. So coming back here. So if please like try joining again. I hope like it's better, I believe. If somebody is like, if anybody else can see my screen, please confirm. So Mallo has confirmed that yes, like say he can see my screen. Agnimitra is saying that he can also see my screen. Okay, fine. So multiple people are confirming that they are like they can see my screen. Okay, fine. Coming back here. So I was there like for the withdraw thing. So when like the people are not accepting your request, if you have waited for like 6 or 7 days maybe, so please withdraw the connection. Do not wait for him or her. Fine. That's the thing. Okay, fine. So this is how we can grow the network with the 200 thing. Second is the engage, like, and comment. So I think like most people already know that what is first degree connection, second degree connection, and the third degree connection. LinkedIn has three different type of connection. First is first degree connection. If you see here, here is first is showing. If I scroll down here, I can see second. And sometime I would see that there's a third plus. So what does this mean? If someone doesn't know, so let me just explain that part. First person mean you both have connected or you both have accepted your connection request. You are both are the connection of this of your LinkedIn profile. So that would be your first connection. If suppose you have clicked someone on the profile and follow, or you have not connected, or the person you have followed, or the person's name which you can see on your screen feed, that person is connected with one of your connection. That's called the second connection. Let me just make it simple. Like I suppose Saurabh, so X person is there. If I'm connecting with X, so for X will be my first connection. if there is a X and there is a Y person, but Y have not connected with me, while Y is connected with X, but X is connected with me. So that means Y will be my second connection. And again, there is a person Z. Z is connected with Y, but Y is not connected with me, nor Z with connected with me, while like X is already connected with me. So the Z will be my third connection. Third connection means there is no mutual connection of my connection. So then the third connection comes up. Fine. So when we are commenting to someone's post, please target maximally. Please comment obviously on your first connection. It's not like I will not say that don't comment. Comment on your first connection as well, but raise the commenting thing on your second or third connection. That will bring some extra people to connect with you. When you are commenting, na, just add a single word. Sorry, not single word, as line you can say. Like when you are saying that congrats, commenting for better reach, or something, whatever you are trying to explain. So you can add a single line that stay connected. When you put that stay connected, that person would think, I haven't connected with person. That how is saying that stay connected? That means he posts something or he has some relevancy on his LinkedIn that he wants to bring up with me. Let's connect with him or her. So that makes a marketing thing that we can bring some of follower to our profile. So that is the one of the marketing strategy. Right? Okay. Coming back here. So I already mentioned the endorse and the recommended thing, follow and interrupt the thing. Fine. Next, the thing is that birthday wishes. When this option like my network, this option for the catch up. There is multiple options are there. I particularly choose birthday and I have turned off other things. Please wish everyone at their birthday. Try at morning, like maximum 12 p.m. would be best, I believe. If it's getting late, no issues. If you have forgotten on the same day, you can wish him or her on the next day as a belated happy birthday. Wish him or her. Because that birthday comes once in a year and that's special to everyone. Please make him or her luck. That will bring a better connection. That person will think, oh, he has like wished me or she has wished me. So that makes a great sense. So that will value your connection. It's not that we just connected and we are not interacting by any means because we have nothing to speak. So that's not the thing. So please wish him or her the birthday. That will give you a better opportunity to sometime to speak. Someone that person maybe like will start speaking with you. Sometimes you might get a good networking as well. So there's opportunities. So that way you can bring some opportunities here. Fine. Okay. So I will introduce with one of the tool now, which is called the SSI. Okay, which is a free tool from LinkedIn itself. This is not a third party tool. So let me just put the like URL for you. So you can also check your percentage or the score, whatever you say. So this is your social selling indexing number. That is free to every LinkedIn user. You can check your scores as well. Please try to target up your rank, that how I can bring that like it's 3%, how I can go to second 2%, second percent or the 1%. Like you can target at yourself. Focus on these particular things like how we can establish the professional brand, how we can find the right people, how we can engage with insights, and how we are going to build the relationships. So you can ask GPT that how I can like bring these numbers, how I can gain maximum numbers, what this number is. You can take a screenshot, you can ask GPT, get a strategy from GPT or Gemini, whatever your like favorite AI tool. So you can use or leverage those things so you can have a maximum thing, like opportunities to gain things. Fine. Okay. So there is an option for the private browsing. What happens sometimes people gets stuck that if I'm going to visit his or her profile, he or she might be getting a notification that I visited her profile. So that doesn't look good. Sometimes people think that yes, it happens. I agree with that, and I generally turned off the this notification thing that when I'm visiting someone's people, you will not getting a single understanding, a single notification that I visited your profile because I turned off that thing. So how you can turn off? So I will share you the link. Just give me a second. But there is a limitation. If you are hiding your views, you cannot see the other people who has viewed your profile. So if you see, I cannot see any people's name or the whatever the thing I cannot see. So if it says that you can unlock three people, so I don't need that three people because I have more than three people like profile views. So I don't have that time to see. If you see that I have activated the option for the private mode, it's free for all. If you have a LinkedIn premium, so you can be anonymous LinkedIn, but the other person, sorry, you can see the someone has visited your profile, so you can see that statistics. Okay. So if you do not have the LinkedIn premium, no worries. So other people cannot see you, you cannot see other people. So this is the another link I'm pasting here. So this is how you can limit your profile that people shouldn't get to know. When you are posting something, please repost that post again on the next day or day after tomorrow. That would be better for you. Fine. Okay. And lastly, I would just want to introduce one tool for you. Let me just open it here. This is a third party application or the AI tool where you can review your profile. So suppose I'm putting my username. So I will get a generic feedback about my profile, that what are the things are there. So I would get a generic understanding that how my profile looks like and etc. So it will give me a recommendation. So my internet is getting slow because streaming and these things are going on, and that's why it's getting slow. So please bear with me, please. It's taking too long time. So sorry. Okay, so you can check out your own. So I'm just going to take your questions now. That who wants to come first and have your LinkedIn reviewed with me. So please raise your hand. I will unmute yourself. I will have your LinkedIn profile and come up with it. Okay, so Said has said, okay, Said, are you unmuted? Yeah. Okay, Agnimitra is also there. Okay, I will come one by one, no issues. So let's take Agnimitra, allow mic. Yes, hi
Hey, hello.
Agnimitra. Yeah,
Yes, hope I'm audible. So,
yes, yes.
uh, I think I'm going to use some of the tips, whatever you have shared. Okay. And maybe if you have a look, if you wanted to do some quick suggestion, maybe that will be helpful.
Yes, please share your LinkedIn profile link or something, or if you are my
Okay, just a
connection, so
second.
I can search as well.
Yeah, we
Agnimitra.
connected today. Just pasting as
This
well.
one, second one, right? Actively looking.
Yes, yes, yes,
Right.
yes.
Fine, let's start with your profile. If you see, there is a if your profile picture
Hmm.
is not that much
I
visible.
got it.
Yes.
So,
So that's should be your headshot should be like in frontal side. That would be better. And the cover photo should be the area where you will be branding yourself, such as put your photo, a professional photo. Secondly, add some of your like email ID. You can say you can add your what is this like the designation. You can also add your degree if you are like from a very good college. So you can also mention that. Okay, such that the like call to action thing, which we say CTA, the call to action thing you can put there. You can add some icons. Suppose you know Docker, you know their Kubernetes or something like that. So you can add those things. So that will catch the eyes. That is like most important thing. Okay, coming back here, as I
So,
mentioned. Yes, please.
sure. Thank you. Yeah, continue, please.
Oh, sure. So coming back here, if you see here, like actively looking for a job, which is good, immediate joiner, which is a very good keyword, ex RBI, ex Mastec, and etc. But what do you do? Or what you're looking for that people couldn't understand, right? Because if you are maintaining that CUSAT, which is your university name, some people may know, some people may not know, correct? But instead, that is good. But how much experience do you have? We are unaware that. What is your key skills? We don't know. What are like your job like profile you're looking for or something? It's not there. So we must maintain that thing. Fine. Coming here again, you are like mentioning that actively looking for a job and immediate joiner work as a here you have mentioned the thing that what you have worked. Please mention your email ID so that people can connect with you or people can reach to you and make a bold with that tool. I just add a like link on my chat, I believe. So you can use a bold or italic or underline, whatever, put email ID on the first or the second line so that people, when clicking on this more, they shouldn't click on the more. They should get the thing on the very front. Fine. Add, sorry, use this about section more with very good keywords. The thing which you have done, which is good, but you can also do some keyword stuffing here. So you can like add those things. Top skills can be added maximum number 5. Please add 5 numbers top skills because this is also your ACO thing. People can also come up with a ACO. Fine. And the featured here, if you see, there is no picture. When pictures is there, people are getting valued that post. If you see my post, in 95% time, I put a picture or a GIF, something animated, so that I can attract people. So please add that thing. So that would better attract people. So if you are posting the things, that is very good. When you are posting, if you see this, you have posted, you haven't added any like what is this, the hashtag, because if you're putting some hashtag, people can come up like AI, LLM, DevOps, or something like related to NLP to that like post. So you can add that. Again, mention follow Ognimitra for such contents so that you got a call to action. So you can get a better like connection or the growth, I believe. So such that you can get a growth, I believe. Coming down. So here you mentioned again, you need to be descriptive here. And here the description is missing. Again, it is good, but description could be more better. Again, like here, if I see description is good, okay, somewhat, and you can like work on this description part, which is good. And the certificates you have added, that is also good. You have a link, that's here you do not have link. If you have a link to like click, you can add the link here and ask people to endorse. And if you see the repetitive thing, do not do that because it will hide the other skills. So remove the Azure Data Factory one time, display it one time so that other skills can be viewed here. Fine. And the recommendation is you have received, that's very good. And you can ask other people as well to get your recommendation done. That will be better. And that's like in short, I could say this is about your profile, I could say, and that's it, I believe. And if you have any questions, so you can ask.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Saurav.
Thank you
Much
so much.
appreciate that.
Thank you so much. Okay. Coming back to other person who is there. Okay. Hi, Ademola. I think your mic is allowed, so you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, good evening, Sora.
Yeah, hi, good evening.
Yeah, I would also like if you can also review my own account as well. Whatever.
So are we connected on our LinkedIn?
Yes.
Yes, search. Is this your profile? The first one?
Let me check.
If you can see my screen. Or if you can
No.
put me your link, the profile link as well. Yeah, I will come up than Somalia. I will come up with you all. Just allow me some moments. So I will come to everyone. I will like review everyone's profile. No worries.
So, actually, my name is Ademola Adedeji on LinkedIn as well.
Okay, let me just copy your name here.
Let me send my link.
This one, Cloud Native Architect.
Yeah.
This Cloud Native Architect.
Sorry, I'm trying to come back to Teams to see what you're talking about.
Is this your profile? If you can see my screen.
Sorry, I'm struggling with the network here. I can't see the screen yet.
Is your profile like having Cloud Native Architect, DevOps, and SRE specialist?
No, IT specialist. Yes, IT specialist.
Here it is showing that the like Cloud hyphen Native Architect, DevOps, and SRE specialist working with Demos. Is that your current company?
No, that's not my own company is Federal Palace Hotel and Casino.
Okay, that means that's different profile. Let me just come up.
I'm trying to copy my link and send it to you directly.
That would be better,
Thank
I
you.
believe. Because I'm like getting different profiles here. Or should I take someone in
Oh,
meantime? You can take your time and like come up with your like link on the next like person.
all right.
So I'm just taking other person like so that you can take your time and find the profile. I hope that works better. I hope. Okay. So you can mute yourself or I'm just disabling the mic. Okay, I'm taking Syed. Syed has already like given me his profile. So Syed, you can unmute yourself and let me open your profile. So, okay. Yeah, hi Syed.
Hi, Saurabh.
Okay. So coming back to your profile, it's nice, good. Okay. See, if you see just like my what is this like the recommendation, the
Yeah.
what is the cover photo which you have added, it's something pixelate. If you see the watch is not visible, the coffee mug is not that much visible, so like we should have a high resolution profile, sorry, cover photo as well as the profile picture. Your profile picture is absolutely perfect. Just to
Okay.
add a touch, if you can have, okay, just add a ring. There is a Canva, you can find some different templates. Just add a ring, because the white thing, what happens now, it just get like what is it like? It's get like similar to your profile, like profile photos doesn't look that much good if you add a ring here. Okay, you might find on like what is it, Canva? There are some like templates are there. You can add that, so that will look perfectly good
I tried
for
to
your.
edit my photo and the cover picture.
Mhm.
Unfortunately, I am not good hands-on on Canva. I don't know the usage. Like I just use the templated picture and upload it there. I tried to edit, but it's not looking very attractive. The font size and the words what we write, like enthusiastic DevOps engineer, something I want to
No,
write on the cover letter, but unfortunately the look is not very unique or appealing. That's why.
no issue.
Yeah,
No issue. See, if you come to template, just
yeah,
simple. Go to template option. If you don't like this template or can't understand that what template should I choose, there are multiple templates are there, no issues. Come to on this create option. There is option for the social media. There is option for the LinkedIn, and there is option for the LinkedIn background profile. Take a blank. Take a blank. It's your complete blank. Now what you know, say suppose you know Docker, fine. So I have suppose like there are multiple like photos I have uploaded here. Okay. And if I see like if I have the some of like profile, suppose Azure. Okay, I took Azure. Suppose I took Open Tofu, and I took some like LinkedIn, and I took suppose the Azure Fundamentals, one of my certifications. Suppose what I will do,
okay,
just put this here. Suppose this is my LinkedIn. I just wanted to show that this is my LinkedIn ID, and I'm putting Open Tofu as one of these. If you see, just when I'm putting up now, it's giving a line, right? You see, there's a line is coming up. If I'm just coming down, if you see, there's a line is coming up. That means these both are well aligned. Now, if I'm going with Azure, if you see, there's a line was come up, and with the corner, if you go again, line is come up. Now, if I put them on same diagonal thing, so now they are looking good, correct? Now you can put this LinkedIn here. You can add your URL. Now go to the text, go to the sub heading, and suppose like https colon double slash linkedin.com/in/d1t. This is my profile ID. I will just come, I will just choose. It's taking area. I will just control shift greater than or less than is a shortcut to increase or decrease the value, or you can use this one. Fine. So I suppose use this thing. I thought it's good. Now you can put your photo here. If I'm going to the upload option, and I'm going here in downside, I might see my photo. So here I have my photo. I suppose put the photo here. Fine. So I can like remove the background. So I have a Canva premium, so I can use that thing. So you might use Photoshop or anything to like remove the background. So here I suppose choose this photo, like increased. Fine. Isn't it looking good? So I think like these photos can be now very little right inside. So I chose this on right inside. It look good. So you can put your email ID here. So like that, suppose my email ID is clash120 at gmail.com. I put my email ID here. So people can connect with me. This is my LinkedIn ID, and I can put some like what is this, the background photo from Google as well, or you can come to here. If you go to the photos option, there are multiple options are there. So these are the like premium things. So I choose this photo. You can find on Google as well, no issues. So just increase this, and put this in back. Now I will just remove, like scroll down this transparency. How does it look? It's looking better. Somewhat it's
yeah.
looking better, appealing, such that you can do that.
The images you uploaded for the logos, we need to
Correct.
manually upload, or it will be there
Correct.
by
You can
default?
manually. You can you
Man,
have to upload manually.
okay.
You can drag and drop.
So,
Say
so
suppose you are
premium,
looking for, it doesn't need premium. Suppose AZ305 is one of the like thing you need. Suppose I'm like looking for a badge, the Azure architect. Fine. So what I will
okay,
do, this is the like suppose the badge. I will just drag it to this tab. Here I came, and that's got uploaded. If you see, it's
okay,
getting uploaded and it came up, and you can put anywhere.
okay.
Clear? It's
So
simple.
premium feature required for this, or
No, it's free.
okay,
It's free. It's easy.
yeah,
It's pretty easy. See,
Yeah.
the only thing I used here, premium, is to just remove my background. Nothing else. You can do the in Photoshop. If you do not have Photoshop installed, na, go to this photopia.com. This is your online Photoshop. If you know the Photoshop somewhere, or you can like go, you can do some YouTube as well. So that might take 1 or 2 days maybe. Fine. You can do the like Photoshop here from this URL and you can open this. It's easy.
Okay.
When you think it is hard, it will be hard. When you think it's easy. So
Yeah.
that is the thing. We should have to just change our mindset. So coming back
Yeah.
here. So you have to update your cover picture, which is good. The your current thing, RHCSA, RHCSE, X280 and this, Windows Server, IT for Ops, CentOS and this, Exchange, FF this and good, very good. Everything is good. Just
Uh,
add two particular things. First,
Likewise,
how much experience?
10 years
Yes.
experience.
So you had that, like I have like 10 plus years. YOE you can mention. YOE mean years of experience and what degree you have. That means
Okay.
your recruiter shouldn't have to scroll down. They can see everything here. Correct.
Yeah.
And sometimes
Like I
what
want
happens?
to as a dream job, like I want to, I'm like open to work and I want to join as a DevOps engineer. So I'm preparing like
Exactly.
Kubernetes and also
Mention
OpenShift.
that.
So
Mention that.
likewise, this is I'm not working right, Neil. Like the
Sure,
whatever
sure.
tools I'm using, I mention here. The other tools
That's see. Hmm.
means I have no working experience with the tools like Kubernetes or OCP. Like I am trained on it, but I'm no working experience. That's why I not mention anything related to my trainings. Only certification. I mean,
Let me, if I might show you my profile now, you will be astonished maybe. Let me show my profile. What I was working as a desktop support engineer, right? You might know
yeah,
desktop support engineer. Even you are currently handling the desktop support engineers as well.
yeah,
At that time, I'm working as a desktop support engineer in my previous career as well. In my previous career before Experience IT, I was working as a again desktop support engineer. So I have
okay,
worked with desktop support, desktop support, desktop support. Again here somewhere desktop support. Here I joined as a complete cloud engineer. So how much experience I have? 1.8 years as a cloud and DevOps.
okay,
So it's not a heavy thing. I am also like come up with a very small position. I started my career as a call center executive where I used to say, Namaskar, sir, how can I help you? Okay, I
yeah,
used to get some of the like khatarnak words you can say. Okay, so the thing I have like got so many experiences in my career, but I want you all to come up and learn the things. It doesn't mean that if you don't know or if you haven't worked, it doesn't mean that you cannot work or you cannot display. See, the people who are like a student maybe they are like third year or fourth year something. They mention as their profile na aspiring DevOps engineer, aspiring SRE, aspiring data engineer or AI engineer, something like that. So you can mention that.
okay,
You can mention at the end aspiring DevOps engineer. There is no harm. It's your own profile, man. You are
yeah,
writing nothing wrong, and you are the owner. So why to fear, right?
yeah. Likewise, if
That is the
recruiters
thing.
see our profile, maybe they think like, oh, he's adding something. It's not
See,
experience or
that is our thinking. That what people will think. Arey, man, people don't know me, and
yeah,
what they are thinking. That's not my choice, or that's not my thing. That I would be waiting for his thinking. Suppose I'm giving an example. You are working in a street. In meantime, you got that your shoe got broken by any chance. That happens most of the time. What you think? What that people will be thinking that my shoe got broken? And do he know you, or do she know you? No. So
yeah,
why should we care? I don't know him or her. He or he don't know me. So why should I care? It's my
yeah.
life. Let's enjoy.
Exactly, you
So
got it.
that is the most important thing. If you start fearing, now you cannot take the challenge. If you start taking the challenge, then you can grow. If you don't start taking challenge, you cannot grow, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So you can search one video is there, pipers maybe. This one you can search on YouTube as well, piper. Okay. If this 6 minute and 27 seconds video, please look at this video very carefully. That will take only 5 or 6 minutes if you see. That will change
Okay.
your life, I believe. Okay, so you
Okay.
can search this video one time. So coming back to your profile, so again, like you can mention your degree as well as your years of experience here and the aspiring whatever you want to become.
Like
And
also we have
when
some limitation of words. Like if I want
yeah,
to add more 10 lines,
remove this one.
remove.
Na.
Okay.
These are the exam codes. These are the exam
Yes.
codes. So remove this. People wouldn't understand what is X280 and X467. Even I don't know the exam codes very particularly on Red Hat.
Okay.
The people who knows Red Hat, they can understand. I know Azure thing like AZ900, AZ204, AZ400. If you ask me any like most of the exam code I know on Azure, but the people who are most aligned with AWS or not with aligned with Azure, they might get challenged that if I say I am AZ104 passed out, he might think what is AZ104? Or if I say that AZ401, sorry SC401, so he might think what is SC401? I never heard. That happens. So we shouldn't use those word here. That is not, people do not know. If I say like RHCS and RHCAC, RHC, most people know that RHCS means Red Hat Certified System Administrator and RHC means Red Hat Certified Engineer. Most people know that. That's good. Sometimes this big fix is a, one of the networking or the VPN tool. Some people know, some people don't know. Even I don't know this info blocks and reverbet. So don't use those like words. Instead, use what the people know, right? So
Okay.
that will enhance your profile visibility. That's my thinking. Rest is yours.
Okay.
So
Okay.
coming back here, the about me again, like I would say, please use your email ID first on your first line. You have a good experience, that is perfect. So use some like you have already used. See this CentOS, Red Hat. These are the well keyword. Fine. Please bold these things. This see key specialization. This one, this thing. Bold. Use the bold words.
Okay.
Fine. That will highlight. Correct. So that's important. And please greet when someone is coming to your profile. Thank you for visiting my profile. Thank you for the
Okay.
opportunity. Let's collab or something. Whatever. You can ask GPT
Okay.
as well. Please
Okay.
see when we care someone, they start caring me. Right? If I'm helping you, you will later say, I should help that person because he helped me. That is the
Mm,
human nature, right? When we
yeah.
say good thing to you, you will think that I'm a good person. When I start scolding you, you will say I'm a bad person, right? That is
Yeah.
a human nature. So think like that way, that what is our human nature. So you can get maximum visibility. So the post you are doing last 1 month, so no, start posting if you
Okay.
know something on RHCAC, if since you have suppose passed the RHCAC or RHCAC, what are the things you have tried? Like RHCAC and RHCE is a practical examination, correct? It's not something you just choose the answers and put. It's a practical examination. So how was the experience? Put that. How other people can get rid of their fear? Put that so that people
Meeting.
can know that how they can
Was one.
change the perspective to appear for the examination. Correct. So here, if, I don't know what this is. So you can like look at this thing. I don't know. So the pre-sales engineer, you have added the thing, you have added here the thing, and you have added. Perfect. So this is good. And here you have added your university and the degrees and etc. You have added your certification projects. When you are adding projects, please, if there is a link for GitHub or something, please add that. Again, like volunteering, if you have any link, so you can add that. And the like skills, please ask your peers. Please click on the endorse option. Get the maximum recommendation. And like if you have publication, please add a link. Like since it has publication, I hope there is a link maybe, or there's like ISBN if it is a book. So ISBN number would be there, so you can add that. So the maximum thing you add here, the maximum visibility or it look like better.
Okay.
Right?
For posting content, we don't have
Yes,
content. If I have also, we have a repeated content. Like if I want to post something, it's already there, posted by many people.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
Okay.
If I'm posting free certification alert, do you think that I'm the only person is posting? No.
No.
There's multiple people are posting. Even the people reposting my post, that is also counting as post, right? So
Yeah.
you can repost to people's post. You can you can copy that post and you can credit that person that okay, I'm taking your special thanks to him, or credit this. Like you can credit to me as well. Credit Saurabh Shah, and this is a free certification alert for you. No issues. It's an
Okay.
open platform. It's not YouTube that there's a copyright thing, right? It's an
Yeah.
open platform. So don't get fear. Fear will lose you.
Exactly.
Fine. And if you like take the risk, you can grow. That's what I'm saying. Like the pixel, you can say that video, so you will get something. Know that how we should take the risk.
Okay.
That
You
is it.
introduced a new tool today, Taplio.com.
Correct. That
I
you can
I
review your profile.
I sent the link of mine just now. If you can check, there are some suggestions, but I couldn't understand what it
I
is.
think I cannot access your link. Maybe let me just check, because here, if you see, this is a generic link, and my internet
Okay.
is not too good that it's loading. See, the image is also not getting load. So
Okay.
actually, like I'm streaming and I'm speaking, so that's why my like internet is not too good right now. So I cannot
Mhm.
check. So later on we can connect again. So like you can ping me on my WhatsApp if you have like number and anything, or in the group you can mention. So I will check out the thing again. So nobody's about that.
Okay. You shared that bullet points, what you discussed today.
The bullet points here, I will share the document if you guys want. So I will like add this thing. Like I can just copy and let me just post on this chat so that you can have this chat with you. So these are the points I have like prepared for your session. So you can use this as the bullet points or etc. No
Yeah.
worries.
Thank you. Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you for your
Everything is
time.
free for
Thank
me.
you for reviewing.
My pleasure.
Thank you for reviewing my profile. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you so much. You too. Bye.
Thank you.
Okay. Coming back. So Ademola, I think you're if you are ready, so I'm just allowing your mind. So you can share me this like
So,
profile so I can just check.
yes, I already did.
Oh, you did. Oh, let me just check.
It's already in the chat.
I think I got it. Okay, this is perfect. So this is, I think, your AI generated image, right?
Yes, please.
Because it's easily understandable that it's a AI generated image. Okay, that's perfect. So if you see, the email ID is not particularly visible. See, it's something getting pixelated and it's too small. If someone is looking from his mobile phone or her mobile phone, the email ID will be so small. So please work on that. Make it bigger, make it visible, so that the other person can easily understand that what is your email ID. Fine. Add some logo, like you are saying that you are ITIL certified. So add that ITIL logo, right, on the cover picture. Since you mentioned that you know the system and the network security, so add some security plus or something like logo that will add some values. And you mentioned the ISC2 certified in cybersecurity you have also done. So add that, like you have done the ISO certification as well, maybe like lead auditor or whatever. So please add the maximum logos that is relevant to your knowledge. That would give you better like visibility, as I always mention. Here, if you see the IT specialist, which is your current profile, these are the like your working knowledge, and now you have to mention your total years of experience and your degree, so that people who are visiting your profile that can easily understand who you are. Fine. That would be the here thing, and it is already optimized. And please use a word instead of link. That what this link is, like your portfolio, about me, or like connect with me, XYZ, whatever the word, please add a word instead of the link. So link doesn't look good because this is not a custom URL, it's like a shared URL. So use a word instead, so that will be looking better. Okay, and
Right.
that's the thing. Coming here again, like I would say here on the first or the second line, use your email ID in a bold letter, use maximum keywords, that will be better. And the specialties you maintain, I think this is a wrong spelling, so you might check the grammar. Here if you see the latest connect, not latest connect, let's connect, right? So that's be better. And make it bold. Let make it bold. Again, like the thing you mentioned here, what I have delivered, make it bold. Okay, so these are the things you can make bold. Please use some better keywords. Say thank you on the very beginning, that thank you for visiting my profile, please connect with me on my email ID this. Then you start about yourself, so the other person will be feeling great, right? So here your featured post is good, that you mentioned your certification, you mentioned your another certification. So instead this, please add the Credly link. So that will be better, right? You got when you got the ISC CC2, sorry CC, then you got the Credly badge as well. So use the Credly badge here as well. You are reposting the people's post, which is good. Please add your some post as well. If you are thinking that you can like add some your own post as well, so please add, because that will again give you a visibility. Comment on people post, that will again give you a visibility. This is good. You are sharing here the Dynamics 365 SAP and these things, very good. And the cloud architect and this, everything is good, and the education is good. If you have CGP or SGP or something, so add this. I don't know what this is, like what course you did here. You didn't mention that. Fine. So you have to, I think, like mention the course name, what course you did, and these are the like certification you made. That is excellent. Here you have the skills. You have added 73 skills, which is perfect. Please ask people to give some endorsement. Fine. So when people are giving you endorsement, that would be better. And rest
All right.
are looks good. Yes, you can ask.
No, like I'm with you. Like I understand what you're saying.
Yes. So this is the like core things you have to work, I believe, and rest your profile is very good. And please start commenting to the persons, like as I mentioned, the second and third degree connection. That would give you better visibility the next time. And start sending the 200 requests in every week to gain more followers, because you are almost like to 500 plus connection. That will be your another achievement when you get a 500 plus connection, right? So target, set a target that I will get 500 connection, then I will set 1,000 followers, then 2,000, then this. If you see you have 415 followers, which is good, take it for 500, then target for 1,000, then target for 1,500, 2,000, and so on. So you can grow, right? We have to grow. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah,
so. Wish you best of luck. Let's see coming this.
yeah. Yeah, thank you, Saraf.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. All right. So let's take the another person. So Ravindu is there. So let me take Ravindu here. Allow the mic. Yeah. Hi, Ravindu. I hope you have shared your LinkedIn profile. I'm sorry, said I didn't pick your LinkedIn. I'm just take your next. So sorry, I just missed. Okay, let me load. Yeah, hi Ravindu. It's getting loaded. I believe your cover picture. Yeah, perfect, perfect. Okay, so your profile pic, sorry, cover picture is good, but if you see the letters which you have used here, no, the contrast of the letters is not too good. Please add contrast, mean the visibility. The color
No.
which you have chosen, the black is good. Plus, try to either you make it like what is this, the bigger word, or make it more bold. Okay, whatever it is
Oh,
possible, and add a underscore to your email ID if it is possible. Add a icon before your email ID. That would be better, I believe. Same goes to URL. So add an art picture. Again, that would be give a better visibility, maybe, right? So these are the things you can do. Coming to your profile picture, the profile picture can be improved. If you see your headshot is good, but the background is not good. So please remove that unusual background. Use a single static background, which is either white or either gray, because most professionals or the big people are using the gray or white background. So please use that. I hope that will work better for you. Okay, and this is the thing you can work, and the thing maybe like Kubernetes, Docker, CI/CD, DevOps, XYZ. Please add the icons of that, so that would
oh,
look good on your like what is this, the cover picture. Coming here, DevOps enthusiast, which is very good. Please do not use this what is this, the uh, quotation mark,
mm,
so remove that. Creating innovative scalable software solution, but who you are enthusiast, but what you are doing, are you a
I'm
student,
still
are you a
undergraduate.
fresher, whatever you are, mention that, correct? And whatever you have learned till that, you might have learned maybe C++, maybe like CI/CD, maybe like you have learned Git, you maybe have learned HTML as well. You may have
yes,
learned CSS, SQL, Linux, anything you might have learned till now. Maybe add that.
yes. Okay.
What's your current degree? Add that. If you are doing some technological degree like Bachelor's of Technology or XYZ, whatever, add that. Because the more words you put on your title, the better visibility you get. Perfect.
Okay.
Okay. So as an ambitious undergraduate, which is good, all good, yours about is too small. Make it bigger. Welcome the people. Say first, thank you for visiting my profile. My name is Savindu. This is my email ID. Please let's connect and collab. Fine. Then you mention that these are the like I'm like undergraduate right now. I'm in fourth year or third year or something. I'm currently doing this. I'm enthusiast to DevOps to make the world better in terms of the software technology. I want to bring like software technology more better. I want to contribute my knowledge or skills towards a like some company where I can like we can have a mutual gain. Right? Whatever the words you want to add, please add. So that would make better. So you are posting, you are reposting the post, which is good. So try adding your post. Go to GPT, go to Gemini or any other like AI solutions. Ask the thing that would help you, I believe. So in your what is this, the degree, when you started, when you are going to close, you didn't mention what you are learning, you didn't mention. Add a description would be best. Fine. So you did CCNA DevNet associate, which is good, and you have a link, that's also good. You were a volunteer, which is also good, and the interest. Please add option for the skills. See, there is no option for the skills. So there you might see the option for the add section. Go to skills, add that thing, go to add section. You might find the option for a recommendation. Add those two things, skills and recommendation on your profile. So that would again give you a vibe, give you a better opportunity to connect with people. When you are adding skills, add the relevant skills, ask your friends on your college, or you can ask your other family persons that please endorse me to my skills, that will enhance your profile visibility. Perfect.
Is it a problem to add skills because I'm still learning? So
It doesn't like if you, I think you know HTML, right? Add the
yes.
HTML as a skill. You might know CSS, add that skill. You might know SQL, add that skill. So you don't have to be master on that skill. If you know, you put.
Okay.
No issues. There is no one is going to ask you why you have put. It's not your school or it's not your college. It's your own profile. You are owner of this profile. So no one going to ask you why you have put in this. The choice of thing, the choice you know, the skills you know, please add that without any fear. There's no fear.
Okay.
Fine.
Thank you very much.
Any problem, you can connect with me anytime. If I'm available, I will definitely help you out. No issues.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. Okay, let's connect with Syed because he has been waiting so long. Just give me a second. Let me open his profile. Let me close these links in between.
So we already done.
Oh, I think you have done. No? Right. Sorry, I missed. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, let's taking the other person then. Okay, so Shomalya has given his profile. So let me open Shomalya's profile and let me unmute him. So many people has already dropped. Okay, fine. So long, Shomalya, your like profile photo is perfect. Your like what is this? The cover photo is also perfect. And if you see this a slight thing, if you can put a space or something to here and here, so would be like little better. I believe this is my personal like suggestion. And the final year BCA student, I'm a BCA as well, and MUG, Medical University, aspiring cybersecurity and cloud professional, building secure human-centered solution. That's all good. Please add your skills on this header thing because that would be a keyword stuffing. The SEO part would be a better choice. That could give you a better landing. Getting your profile visibility would be better. You are almost nearby to 1,000 followers. So please start doing the 200 tricks. So that might give you 1,000 followers maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. And we will be happy to like celebrate that. And you can post that you gain your 1,000 followers. So that would be best. And here you mentioned that 2 years ago my bookshelf was good, and that's good. Please first like you can appreciate the people that thanks for visiting my profile. Then you can put your email ID, and then you can start writing the other things and bold the things wherever it is needed. That would be better. The top skills you have added, that's perfect as per your choice. And the featured is also very well. The like thumbnails are very excellent. And like you are posting, reposting, that's also good. You are active. And the work you are doing 16 years, I don't know, like that's good. And digital marketing company and everything is look good. Your profile is well optimized. Your profile is well optimized, and the skills you have added, and like ask people to like endorse your profile sorry on the skills if it is possible. So Shomal, if you have anything to discuss or ask, so feel free to ask. Oh, he got disconnected. Yes, Shomal, let me unblock his mic. Yeah. Uh, so did you hear like what I suggested to you, Shomal?
Tell me.
I was saying that your profile is well optimized. Just work here on this part, the headline. Add some keywords that is like related to cloud and DevOps or the cybersecurity or anything. Add the like basically you didn't since you have worked maybe here, so you can add your work experience as here if it is like suitable, so you can add that here. And you are almost like 1,000 followers, so I think you can use the 200 tricks that I have mentioned. So use that. I believe like later maybe day after tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow and again that day you might get 1,000 followers easily. So that should be like best option. And please optimize your about section with some bold words and use like greetings on the very front line. and add an email ID on the very front line. That would be better, I believe. And coming here, the feature is very perfect because the like thumbnails are excellent, and you are posting and reposting the things, which is also good, and the like things which you are working, that's also good, and rest all are good. And you can ask people for a like skill endorsement. The people who are connected with you, you can ask for the skill endorsement, so that would be like giving a better opportunity to gain more visibility in your profile. So that's it from my side, so you can ask anything if you want to.
Yeah, see, thanks a lot, sort of, for going through the profile.
My pleasure.
Actually, I haven't
Mhm,
added those skills as you mentioned in the headline, okay, or the
mhm,
because right now I'm in transition, okay. So since being
mhm,
into in branding and marketing for almost like 15 years, so
mhm.
so I was uh, So I was little hesitant that how to show the profile as such. Okay. So even I think 1.5 months back, it was more purely on uh, digital marketing and branding thing. But uh, recently only I thought that no, it's high time that I should revamp it as per the current transition that I'm into it. Okay. So I will definitely keep those things in mind. Okay, and will implement those things. And in any place if I get stuck, I will definitely get back to you.
Sure, that's perfect. That's perfect. Thanks much. So let me just allow other person so that we can conclude the session as soon as possible. So let me check if someone has else like has added his or her profile. So Sushil has already added his profile. Let me unmute him. Sushil. Oh, he left the call. Okay. So other people who wants to like share your profile or anything wants to discuss. So I'm just unmuting, like allowing mic for everyone. If you want to discuss or I want to like have something, so please feel free to ask me. The mic is allowed for everyone. So platform is yours. Or if you do not have anything, so I think like we can conclude then. Fine. So since like no one is responding, so I'm thinking that the like or people are over with their like askings and etc. So I'm happy to like conclude the session for now. So if you have any questions or anything, so feel free to like drop a message on WhatsApp or LinkedIn or wherever you want. So it's up to you. Thank you so much for your time. Have a nice day and good night.